Hello everyone, happy Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. I'm excited about today's lesson, not only because we're learning about Venus, which is very similar in size to Earth, but I'm excited today because I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to do this, where you watch the video or read about it and then write about it right here. We're going to do this with two windows. Let's get into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go up here to the tab and do like a right click on a mouse, or a drum roll click with two fingers on the mouse pad, and it's going to open up this menu. From this menu, you want to click duplicate, and then you want to go over here and click on this little box thing over here. And then you will have two windows. You can resize them if they aren't working out for you. But the point of having two windows is you can start the video over here, as mentioned before, previously in other videos, and then you can type over here. Let's see if I can't get that working out. Alright, so let's look for our first fact inside the video.
Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is very similar to Earth from a distance, but up close, it's a very different world.
Okay, so they're very similar, and what it's actually saying is that they're very similar in size. Let's see if I can't. Okay. Venus is very similar in size to Earth. In fact, it's just a little bit smaller. Alright, let's keep going.
Venus is about the same size as Earth, just slightly smaller. Its structure is also nearly identical, with an iron core.
So it has an identical, or a similar, very similar structure as well. You could write that. I'm not going to. We're going to keep going.
A hot mantle and a rocky crust. The crust of Venus, however, is dotted with thousands of volcanoes, including Maxwell Montes, a volcano almost as tall as Mount Everest.
So we could go ahead and include that. Oh, I clicked off it. I should have done that. We could go ahead and include that it has volcano, lots of volcanoes. Has lots of volcanoes on its surface. I'm going to keep watching though and see if it has a more interesting fact. Let me get back to it.
But up close, it's a very mantle and a rocky crust. Maxwell Montes, a volcano almost as tall as Mount Everest. Venus also has a thick, layered atmosphere. It's full of clouds that rain sulfuric acid and whip around the planet at speeds up to 224 miles per hour, faster than some Category 5 hurricanes.
Alright, so it's got a kind of crazy atmosphere going on here with sulfuric rains and really high wind speeds, so I can write that down. It has sulfuric rains and really high wind speeds. In fact, I think it's faster than a level 5 hurricane. Let's see.
The atmosphere is faster than some Category 5 hurricanes.
Faster than some Category 5 hurricanes. So it has sulfuric rains and really high wind speeds. Faster than Category 5 hurricanes. Okay. So let's make sure that. Okay. So I could stop there, and that would be 3, and that would be enough. However, I'm going to go ahead and show you. To get a fourth fact, let's go back to one tab here, or one screen, whatever. Not split screen. To get a fourth fact, or to get 3 other facts if you wanted, you could go ahead and click here on All About Venus, and click on that link, and then this would open up. This is if I didn't want to get the facts from the video. If I wanted to get the facts by reading, I could read right here. All about Venus. Even though Venus isn't the closest planet to the Sun, it is still the hottest. It has a thick atmosphere full of greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, and clouds made of sulfuric acid. The gas traps heat and keeps Venus toasty warm. Keeps Venus toasty warm. In fact, it's hot. It's so hot on Venus, metals like lead would be puddles of metal liquid. That is an interesting fact that we could use. It's so hot on Venus that lead would be in puddles. Like if you had lead at the surface, I'm assuming is what it means. So it is so hot on Venus that lead would be in puddles if on its surface. Okay, so we could also say lead would be in puddle, lead would be a liquid, not a solid at its surface. Both would say basically the same thing. And then I could resize this a little bit, and we would be good to go. Now, notice we have 4 facts here. Obviously, I only need 3. I did that. Why? So that I could show you how to get the facts from either the video or from the article. Alright, that is all I've got for today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're having a great Wednesday on December 9th. I hope you're catching up on any work that you need to get done so that you're not doing it over break, which is coming up quickly here, faster than you would know. And obviously, something that teachers say a lot, but so it's hard to find a way to say this and to mean it, because even though it's absolutely true, I miss having you guys in class. I miss having you guys there a lot. I miss being there. I miss getting to see you. I miss getting to talk about things with you, science or otherwise. So I hope you're having a great day. I really do. And I really appreciate all the hard work that you guys put in. All right, other than that, have a great one, and see you next time.